Hey, what's up guys? Do you need a passport? Well, Home Affairs has now made the process a whole lot easier. I'm Rahima and here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a passport online. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you may need about studying in your future career. In this video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to apply for your passport online. Yes, you heard that right. You can now apply for your passport online. eHome Affairs allows people to apply for their smart ID cards and passports, upload supporting documents and pay the applications online. It is however important to remember that you will still need to go to a Home Affairs branch or a bank branch where Home Affairs services are available. The reason behind this is because you still need to do biometrics, so fingerprints, your picture and your signature. But we'll discuss that more later. First, let's get into how to apply for your passport online. The first step is to go to the ehome.dha.gov.za/ and create an account. To register, you will need to complete your personal details, create a password and answer a few questions. You will then receive a one-time PIN to confirm your cell phone number. Enter it and click submit. You will then get another OTP PIN to log into your profile. Once you've logged in, you must fill in the application form for a passport and upload the supporting documents. And if it's your first time getting a passport, it will cost you around 600 Rand. You can make an online payment or choose to pay at the branch of a bank. Then, you must make a booking at one of the Home Affairs enabled bank branches or on the eHome Affairs website, or book an appointment at Home Affairs through BAPS by going to services.dha.gov.za. Let's get into how to make a booking using two different ways. First, we'll do how to make a booking at a Home Affairs enabled bank branch. Once you're done with your application, submitted documents and paid your fee, go to the Visit Branch section on eHome Affairs. Here you'll need to choose your province, city, suburb, branch type and branch. Then select your date range and when you want an appointment and click on Get Available Time Slots. You will then see the available time slots, and once you get one, click on it. The barcoded confirmation letter must be taken with you when you go to the branch. Sometimes it's easier to get an appointment at Home Affairs than at the bank branch. Okay, so let's get into doing it the other way. Once you've done your application, submitted all your documents and paid your online fee, exit the website and go to services.dha.gov.za. Fill in your identity type and your ID number to log in. Then fill in the required information and click on Confirm. The reference number would have been sent to you once you finish your application. Then click on Schedule Appointment and follow the prompts to book your appointment. After you book your appointment, show up at the bank branch or Home Affairs on the day of your appointment and do your biometrics. You will then receive an SMS notifying you when your passport is ready for collection. However, do keep in mind that you can't make an appointment for collection. But sometimes if you do go a bit later in the afternoon, it's emptier, but it's all spontaneous. And that's it. Your passport application is complete. Comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.